Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter three-dimensional figures. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 5 math. Let's just start with the lesson three-dimensional figures. Identify three-dimensional figures. Let's just start with the first lesson. What shape is this? Which is the correct option? So this is a cone, right? The correct option is cone. You have the shape has a pointy tip. The tip is called the vertex, right? And then you have the circular face. This one, the shape has one face, it is a circle. The rest of the shape is a curved shape, right? So the shape is a cone, right? The correct option is cone. This shape is a cone. Okay. The next one is what shape is this? Again, that is a cone. The shape has a pointy tip, the circular face, and the curved portion. So that is a cone. The correct option is cone. What shape is this? Which is the correct option? The shape is completely round and has no flat surfaces. The shape is known as sphere, right? That's a ball you play with. So the shape is sphere. The correct option is sphere, right? Let's just start with the test questions. What shape is this? Which is the correct option? Yes, the shape is a sphere. The correct option is sphere it is. What shape is this? Which is the correct option? Yes, cone it is, right? The correct option is cone. What shape is this? Which is the correct option? Yes, again, that's a cone, right? The shape has a pointy tip, a circular face, and a curved portion. So that is a cone. The correct option is cone. What shape is this? Which is the correct option? Sphere it is, right? The correct option is sphere. Option number one is the correct option. What shape is this? Cone, sphere. That is a cone. The correct option is cone. Cone it is. What shape is this? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is sphere. The correct option is very good. What shape is this? Yes, cone it is. The correct option is cone. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is count vertices, edges and faces. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, how many faces does this shape have? So which is the correct option? The shape looks like the shoebox, right? So basically faces are the flat parts of the shape. So the shape has total 6 faces, right? Like they are in the opposite faces. The one upside and the one downside, right? Then you have this one and the one on the opposite side. So the shape has total 6 faces, right? If you have any confusion, go find a shoebox and count the faces. Thus the shape has total 6 faces, right? The correct option is 6. Okay, how many faces does this shape have? So which is the correct option? The shape is a cube. So how many shapes faces does a cube have? Yes, the correct option is 6. A cube have 6 faces, right? Okay, how many faces does this shape have? So which is the correct option? That's a cube, and cube have six faces. Let's just start with the practice questions, right? How many faces does this shape have? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is that's a shoebox, right? Or you can say rectangular prism. It have six faces. Very good. The correct option is six. How many faces does this shape have? Which is the correct option? The correct option is six faces, right? How many faces does this shape have? The correct option is yes, the shape have six faces. The correct option is six. Very good. How many faces does this shape have? Which is the correct option? Yes, the shape have six faces. The correct option is six. How many faces does this shape have? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is six faces, right? How many faces does this shape have? Which is the correct option? The correct option is six faces, right? And we are done with the lesson. Okay, let's just start with the next lesson, that is nets of three-dimensional figures. Which figure will this net make? You are given a net. If you fold this net along the dotted line, you have to see which figure you are going to make, right? So just look at this figure. All of the faces are square faces, right? One, two, three, four, five, six square faces the net have, right? That means if you fold the net along the dotted line, you will get a cube. The correct option is cube, right? Okay, just look at this one. Which figure will this net make? Which is the correct option? Option one or option two? Which is the correct option? The second one, right? The cylinder, because you can see the faces. The circular face, here again you have a cylinder. You have two of the circular faces. So when you this net will make a figure cylinder, right? Okay, which net make? Which is the correct option? The correct option is the second one, right? Because the second one has the triangular faces, so the net will make the second figure. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Which figure will this net make? Which is the correct option, one or two? Yes, option number A is the correct option, right? Because all the faces are the square and you have six faces, so this will make the. Which figure will this net make? So which is the correct option? Yes, option number A is the correct option, right? The one that has the triangular faces. So option A is the correct option. Which figure will this net make? Which is the correct option? Yes, option number B is the correct option, right? The one with the round faces is the correct option. That is option number B. Yes, option number B is the correct option. That is a cube, right? Which figure will this net make? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is option number B. This net will make the figure. B is the correct option, right? The correct option is option number A is the correct option, right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Okay, let's just start with the next lesson, that is three-dimensional figures viewed from different perspectives. Let's just start with the lesson. If you look at this object from the front, what will you see? Like you're looking from this side, right? So then you can see the one that is in front of you, you can see the same side, right? So you're given two of the options, this one or this one. So basically, imagine you are looking at this object from the front. You will see the squares highlighted below, like you can see this one. Got it? So if you look at this object from the front, you will see option number B is the correct option, right? If you look at this object from the top, what will you see? Option 1 or option 2? You are looking this object from the top, so then you can see this portion, right? Option number B is the correct option. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, if you look at this object from the top, what will you see? So which is the correct option? Yes, you are looking this object from the top, so you can see this side, right? Option number, yes, B is the correct option. If you look at this object from the front, what will you see? Which is the correct option? You are given two of the views. Which option? Which one you see? A or B? Yes, option number B is the correct option. If you look at this object from the side, what will you see? Option A or B, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number B. Option number B is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson, and also I think we are done with the chapter. And one more time, we are done with grade 5, all the lessons that are on A plus students. So, yes, we are done with the chapter three dimensional figures, and also we have finished all the lessons. So, we'll start the new from the first lesson in the next session. If you have any questions related to the lesson we just did, you can ask question, or if you need help with any of the lesson, any of the question from your class, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? You can please ask questions if you have any, as we just done with the lesson. So if you have any questions, you can please ask. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.